tell you what happened after he was awoken at 4 o'clock in the morning?
When he was woken at 4 o'clock in the morning with a loud banging, he said that he was told by Allysha to go down to the basement because Chris was there. And he stated that he was down in the basement hiding when at some point in time, Chris came down to the basement with a handgun.
Did he tell you what happened after Chris came down in the basement with a handgun?
Yes, he also stated that when he was awoken, he was in just his boxer shorts. So he said he ran down to the basement and that Chris confronted him downstairs in the basement with a handgun, and that he pointed it at him, and Chris was asking him questions as to why he was at Allysha's house.
And did he state what he did after, or what happened after Chris pointed the gun at him?
He stated that Chris had the gun pointed at him. He stated that he was fearful by having the gun pointed at him, and he said at some point in time, Chris pulled the trigger and fired at him. He stated that they were about 5 feet away at that point in time, and he stated that if he felt that if Chris was trying to hit him, he could have. So he said he was fearful that the gun was being pointed at him, but he also didn't feel that Chris was, when he pulled the trigger, was trying to hit him. He stated that he fled up the staircase in order to get out of the house because he was fearful that didn't know what Chris was going to do next. He stated that he was in his boxer shorts at that point in time, and so he was frantically trying to collect the rest of his belongings. He stated that he was able to grab a pair of pants, a shirt, a jacket, and one of his Air Force One shoes. However, he did not he left one of his Air Force One shoes behind, as well as his socks.
Did he say what he did after he left the 8630 at MacArthur Boulevard?
He said as he was running out of 8630 at MacArthur Boulevard, and he had gotten a couple steps on the sidewalk, he said he heard another shot, and that he didn't look back, but he thought that Chris had been shooting at him as he